no picture with your phone or send it to the video?
I already. Oh, you mean the other thing? Yeah, yeah. Uno momento. Oh, look at this guy. Okay, while I was at work, not. Okay, while I was at work, not so good. As I'm off duty now, holy crap, there's just a lot of reasons to be smiling and all kinds of happy right now. That's all I'm saying.